This video is going to discuss the Supported Rooms tab. The Supported Rooms tab is a new feature of the Survey Manager this year. This feature was programmed by Insite at the request of UAB. Hopefully this feature will help alleviate some of the workload that is associated with completing your survey. So let's get started. First I'm going to click on the room that I want to change, and you can see that I have 5 tabs here, and one of those is the Supported Rooms tab. This tab will only appear for those room types that are considered to be lab service or lab supporting rooms. Please go to the Cost and Space Analysis website to view the room types that are associated with this feature. In this case, this is a freezer room. A freezer room is one of those room types that we consider to be a lab service area. All I need to do here is I do not need to fill out any information under the function information, occupancy information, or grant information. All I need to do, since this is a lab service area, is select the rooms that this service area supports. First, you select facility. The system will automatically default to the facility that you're currently working in. If you need to change that, you can do so. Next, select the floor. And once you select the floor, the list of rooms will come up, and that's going to give you a listing of every room on that floor. Please be careful here because you can choose any room in the listing. However, you should only choose a laboratory facility. In our case, you would only choose lab, wet lab, or dry lab. So I know the labs that I want to select. First, I highlight that room, and I click on the arrow pointing to the right. I have one other room I would like to add here. Highlight it, click on the arrow to the right. If I added a room by accident that I need to remove, I simply need to highlight that room and click on the arrow pointing to the left to get rid of that. So I've now input my supported rooms here. And one thing I would like to note is this function percentage is not final. The function percentages will not be final until all of the space surveys are reconciled and the function percentages reallocate in the database. And simply submit record. And now I'm done with this room, and I did not have to enter function information, occupancy, or grant information. I've now tied all of the information from the rooms that I selected to this room via the Supported Rooms tab.